What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video on this channel. I don't know if you remember from my last video, I had said I was trying to paint the truck and color match it, but I didn't do that. As you can see, I installed a S&B quarter air intake. Came out pretty good. Sounds nice when you floor it. Changed the exhaust note a little bit to like a deeper, more throatier sound and shit. But besides that, I know you've seen from the title of the video, I'm actually gonna install some long tube headers that I had sitting around. These were supposed to go on this truck, on this LS swap that I did on this 97 Serato. The thing is, it wasn't fitting. It wasn't fitting, so I ended up just purchasing the OEM exhaust manifolds because it is pretty fucking tight. I had to cut literally, like, if I wanted to put them on, I had to cut like the mounting point of the control arm, which I don't want to do that shit. But I went out and purchased some new wires because, as you know, with these trucks, the fucking wires decide to get stuck and you rip them and all that bullshit. But yeah, these are right here. I'm gonna try to install them today. Like I said, try, because I've never done this, and I know these are notorious for fucking ripping the bolts, not ripping the bolts out, but like breaking the bolts, and you having to fucking weld it and put a nut on it, which I don't have a welder. So pray to God that these come out pretty good, because if not, I'm fucked. And this is literally my daily, so, and I'm on a Saturday. It's either today, I'm literally gonna have today and tomorrow, and it's like 10 a.m. right now. But I did purchase the MSD wires, which were fucking expensive. I thought they were like $80. Those are $130 fucking dollars. Shit. But whatever. It is what it is. But right now, I do have the truck up on jacks and shit. Right here. And I put the tire down there for, obviously, safety reasons. And I did put WD-40 on the bolts for the exhaust manifolds, and then I'm guessing the little where it connects right there. I fucking drenched that shit. But I did take off the wheel, the fender, whatever the fuck they're called, the fender plastics, for easier access. But we'll see what the fuck goes down, because I'm honestly scared my shit's gonna fucking rip. So I'm down here taking off these bolts, and it's actually coming out pretty easy. I already have three of them out, and I'm using, what is this, a 13 millimeter, the extension and the Milwaukee impact. My bad, I wasn't even showing that. But I literally have it like on the lowest setting, like on, I know what like these new ones, you can like adjust the settings or some shit like that. So you press a little like button on the top, the little black rubber piece, and you can adjust it. Obviously number 4 is like for heavier, like heavy duty, like if it's too tight or something, you can use that. But oh my god, this is the fucking, what the fuck? I was sitting there, it's crazy. This is like for the, it's supposed to go right here on top of these ignition coil bracket, and it's supposed to hold these fucking AC lines, and it was right here by my fucking control arm. Oh well, we don't really need that part. But like I said, I have it on the lowest settings. Let me see if I can try to, I literally like tap on it off the trigger. There it is. They're actually coming out quite easily. But when it comes to car shit, when it's something simple, I know somewhere over here something's gonna fuck up. I know something's gonna fucking either strip, or I'm not gonna be able to put them in, or I don't know. You know how it goes with this shit. And there it is. I mean, I did fucking drench these bitches in WD-40. So I'm pretty sure that's what helped. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, the only thing that I haven't got are my fucking exhaust manifold bolts, which are supposed to be delivered yesterday, but I still haven't gotten them. So if they don't get delivered, then I'll probably go buy them tomorrow or today. We'll see, depending on how fast I finish this shit. We'll see. So I have successfully taken off the bolts, surprisingly, without breaking them. But now I'm gonna have to take off what is this? The oil dipstick right here. It's connected right here. And it's obviously connected at the bottom of the oil pan. And then I guess to make it a little bit easier, I'm gonna take off the connections right here. But it actually came out pretty good. I mean, I ain't had no issues or nothing with the impact. But yeah, you're gonna take off that dipstick now, and we'll see where I can take it off from, cause I might have to, cause literally it's in between this shit. So we'll see. I took off the. Hold on, where's it at? I actually took off the bolt that holds on the bracket for the oil dipstick right here. And my dumbass was trying to pull it off without fucking taking off the fucking bolt. That was my dumbass literally holding it down. But yeah, once you take that off, you can easily pull that fucking dipstick right out. Just connect it right. You can see right. Oh no, hold on. Right there. See if I can point it at here. So once you take that bolt off, you can easily just pull that shit right off. But yeah. So I just finished taking off the connector right here for the exhaust manifold. It came out pretty easily, man. I ain't gonna lie, like my recommended thing is probably just fucking, like I said, drench them in fucking WD-40 or PB Blast or whatever, and they came out fucking easy as fuck. I mean, the way I did it was, obviously I took off my tire here. I went in through this little part right here, and I mean, easy access was right there, right then and there. The thing is that it's literally right here. Those 3 bolts right there, and it's exactly the same thing over there on the other side. But I mean, I just finished this side pretty easily. Now I'm gonna have to go to the other side and hopefully pray for the same shit. Cause if I don't, if it doesn't, I'm fucking stuck. But I mean, it came out fucking easy as fuck. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Just drench them in WD-40. I said that like fucking 10,000 times already, but yeah, should be easy. Now all we have to do is just take it off. Damn, that bitch is hot off. There it goes. And there it is. It's right here. Right there. Now for the other side. So you can see on this side, I have successfully and surprisingly taken off the exhaust manifold bolts on this side, but I did have trouble where it connects right here. So on this side, they came out good, no issue. But on this side, as you can see, this fucker stripped. So what I did, I just got a sawzall and chopped that off right here, and it's good. But now, since that's off, I'm gonna have to take off this part right here. This part right here. Cause if if I leave that shit on, I'm not gonna be able to fucking take off. I mean, put on the launch sub headers, cause all this is gonna be hitting these fuckers right here. The launch sub headers are long since, you know, they're longer, obviously. So I'm gonna have to take off this thing completely off. We'll see. And if it hits over there, I might just fucking cut it off. I don't give a fuck. But once that's done, it's just once that's done, I'll probably just start installing the long sub headers. Hopefully they go in easily as the old ones came out. We'll see. You know how that shit goes. So as you can see, we got the long sub header in. Once you, like I said, once you take that piece off over here, it should be loose from over there all the way to the cats over here. But what made it easier for me is with the Sawzall, I cut it like right in half where it meets from a white pipe to the single pipe. And I mean, came right off. I mean, I got the pieces over here. You see, like I cut it where this one's the left one. I cut it off so I can twist it, and over here I cut it right on top. So I mean, it came out easy. Dropped down, I pulled it out. But right now I'm just trying to install the. Put on the long sub headers with the gaskets, and I should be done. And connect the O2 sensors, and hopefully I finish by the time that the exhaust plates don't close, and I can show you a clip of how it sounds and everything. We'll see. Man, I ain't even gonna lie. It is a whole other like 2 weeks of the last clip you seen. But I did make it to the exhaust shop, but I was in a rush that I didn't even get to film any of the guys' work, none of it. But I did connect the white pipe at the bottom, I got the new MSD wires in. You can see right there. And I know you can see that little like chrome wrapping. I'm pretty sure most of y'all know it's like for the heat, because one of them did crack on me and I had to get a whole other set because it wouldn't. I was like, nah, just get a whole new one. But they did crack on me. I bought the new set. I wrapped it in that heat shield stuff. I was gonna go with the sleeve, but I was like, man, I'll just get the tape. It's fine, it's whatever. But I did get that connected and it sounds amazing. I do have a Carven R muffler, but I do want to go with the Magnaflow X pipe muffler for the True Duals. But I mean, it came out good. No exhaust leaks or nothing. Right here the same with the heat sleeve, but over here they don't hit at all. On the other side, for some reason, they do hit. I tried messing with them. They don't fucking move at all. They still hit. But let me see if I can show you though. You can see there's the long tubes. I welded it from right there, and then obviously in the back, you can't really see it, but it goes into one. And then I have the Carven. I don't know what the fuck muffler it is, but it is the Carven R. I don't know what the fuck. And it's all the way to the back. I did have like a little fucking exhaust thing. I don't know what to call it, like the tip. But it had like, it was broken and it rattled, so I just fucking cut that shit off. But I do want to get another tip over here. We'll see. But let me see if I can get a clip for y'all and see how it sounds. So hopefully in the video you can see or hear how it sounds. Obviously through the video, wherever y'all watching it in TV, TV, fucking computer, phone, doesn't matter. Probably gonna sound the same as in person. But honestly, really doesn't. It's whatever. But I really don't like the Carven exhaust muffler. Like I said, I am going with the X pipe, True Dual, whatever the fuck muffler, Magnaflow. But I mean, it's good. I mean, I want to tune it because it does smell like it's burning rich. But I mean, it runs good. I use that as a daily. I mean, it does waste gas and everything as per usual with these trucks. But I don't know what the plans are with this truck. I do want to cam it, but at the same time, I do have that other fucking OBS build that I have. So I really don't want to have another truck that wastes gas, you know what I mean? Most likely, I'm just gonna fix the interior and the paint and just honestly sell it, because I am planning on buying a new truck. But we'll see. My motherfucking mind be everywhere, but we'll see what happens with this truck. But hopefully in the next video, I do want to fix the headliner in this truck, because it's not the prettiest. And I mean, I do want to fix up the interior. Like you see, like right here is fucking, don't know what the fuck happened. The carpet, fucking disgusting. I mean, the seats are pretty good, but I do want to get leather seats, white stitching. And obviously the headliner is like a not a cream color, like a light gray color. But I do want to get that done. Like I said, the carpet, and obviously fix that pillar plastic, whatever the fuck. And obviously that shit. But we'll see you in the next video on what the fuck I do. Cause last time I said I was gonna paint the fucking truck and I didn't. I ended up doing this shit. But I mean, hopefully I liked the video and everything. But yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Appreciate it.